Hey, ever twisted two wires by hand and said, "Yeah, that'll do, you're not alone." But wait, how strong is that connection really? Let's test it. Bit of tape. And now, I give it a pull. Boom. It falls apart like tissue paper. If this was in your car wiring or home project, you'd be in trouble. Method 1. The interlock twist. Think twisting wires is enough? Think again. Here's a better way. Strip both ends. Interlock the copper like gear teeth. Then wrap with tape. Now watch this. I pull hard. Still holding. This is the minimum level of proper, fast, strong, and easy. Method 2. U-lock with heat shrink. Want a cleaner, tighter connection? Try this. Bend both wires into a U. Flip them like puzzle pieces, and twist. Slide on a heat sleeve, grab your lighter, and seal it shut. Boom, factory level finish. Safe, neat, and it just works. Method 3. Punch and loop technique. Ever wondered how to tap into a live wire without cutting it? Check this out. Strip just 5 millimeters, punch a tiny hole, and loop the second wire through it. Twist tight. Add heat sleeve. Heat it up, and you've got a rock-solid side tap without any solder or mess. Perfect for DIY fixes and car wiring hacks. Method 4. The triple braid lock. Dealing with 3 wires? This one's a game changer. Strip each one a bit. Now braid them together like a rope. Tight, balanced, and powerful. Cut the excess, heat shrink it down, and test it. Cut the excess, heat shrink it down, and test it. I'm pulling hard, and it's not even moving. This is next level strength without tools or soldering iron. Wrap up. So which one's for you? So, be honest. Which method blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. These wire hacks are simple, cheap, and shockingly strong. No soldering. No failures. Just solid technique. Subscribe for more smart repair tricks, the kind pros don't want you to know. This is Expert Auto, and we fix things that stay fixed.